Hi you guys, welcome back. My name is Liz. So you guys, I'm super excited about today's video. Today we are reviewing the Beetles Gel Manicure Kit. It comes with UV light, all of the pedicure, manicure stuff you need, tools, polishes, everything. And it's super affordable. I think I paid around $38 for the entire kit. And when you guys think about it, that's one time at the nail salon. So this is super affordable, and honestly, I'm all about like DIY stuff. You guys, if I don't have to make an appointment, I would much rather just do it myself. Even if it takes twice as long, you know, I'm saving money. I don't have to go out of my way to go get it done. So you guys, the best thing about this product, besides it being super cheap, is that it comes in 2 days using Amazon Prime. So if you guys do not have Amazon Prime yet, you can get a 30-day free trial linked in the description box below, along with the link to the product itself, so you can go purchase it or look at more customer reviews or check out their other products. This brand is huge on Amazon, so I was like, I better go with someone who's well known. Overall, I'm super excited to try this out. I hope it is a big win because this is gonna be a game changer. Okay, so we just open this up. Like I said, you guys, all of the links are in the description box below, so you guys can check out all the customer reviews, check out the other products and everything like that. Okay, so it comes with an application guide, a nail lamp manual. Got it. Oh, this is nice. So it comes in a little baggie with all of your tools, so you guys can keep them together. Okay, little toe brush, the little toe separators, nail clippers, a little brush. I'm thinking that, I don't know what this brush is for. I don't know, I'm not a nail person, but I'm gonna become today. Oh, a cuticle pusher. I've been wanting one of these. This one looks like, you know, like grade A type too, so that's awesome. Harder filer, and then like a buffer, a cuticle pen, and then a cuticle remover. So you guys have everything you need. If you've ever gotten a manicure at the nail salon, like a gel or acrylic one, you know that it's like a key to push back your cuticles and remove them, or else everything will start lifting really early. So I'm happy that it comes along with all of that, because if I were to go get all of this stuff at Target or something like that, it would have costed me at least $20. So I'm excited that it came with everything right there. That's half of the price. Okay, so here's a little box. I'm assuming, yes, this is the top coat and the base coat. So with gel, you need to cure it. So you cure it with a top coat, and then you have to have like a base coat. I don't really know why, but just use it. And then we've got another box, which I think you guys know it's already in here. All of our color options. You guys, I was looking for a white nail polish, which is what drew me to this actual kit, because I'm like, I paint my nails white 24/7. Toes, fingers, white, like 90% of the year. Sometimes I like to like play it up with some red or something like that, but it's white pretty much all the time. So you guys, here are our color options. So we've got a silver, gold, white, purple, red, and black. So pretty much all the essentials. The only thing I would say that I would want is like maybe a pink or like a blue. But this brand also makes just like individual nail polishes or a big lot size amount of nail polishes. So if you want a particular color, like let's say you're going on vacation and want like lime green, you can go get it from this brand directly on Amazon too. So honestly, just go with the starter kit, and as you want more colors, you can go buy them really inexpensive as well. Like this brand is super affordable. I'm super excited about this. So just for reference, here is the size difference. This is a regular size nail polish, and then this is the size that comes in the Beetles kit. So pretty much about the same size, just a little bit smaller. But for the price, you guys, you're getting so much in this kit. It's actually unbelievable. And this company does have a bunch of different kits on Amazon. The other kits are a little less expensive, like maybe around the $25 range. So if you're on a budget, I would definitely definitely check out those. This was under $40, so I think it was like $37 or something. But the cheaper kits come with like a travel size lamp. This one is a full size one, so you can fit your whole hand in there. The other one, people were saying that you could only fit about 4 fingers in there. So it's really about your preference. I just wanted to get something that I knew I could use like long term, because now that I can do my nails at home, you know, not go to the nail salon and save a bunch of money, I'm all for spending a little bit extra off of the bat. So it has a regular battery, which you just plug into the back. On and off sign, and then it has the different timers. So if you've ever been to a nail salon, you know they usually just put your fingers on like 60 seconds all the time. This has a timer, so 30, 60, and 120. Overall, you guys, I'm super excited to try this out. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so don't come at me for my skills, but I am gonna hook all of this stuff up and get it prepped and ready, and we are going to go ahead and use this baby. Alright, you guys, so I'm just using this toe separator just so that everything's a little easier to work with. And I apologize that you have to stare at my big ugly toe for the next 2 minutes. You guys, I've bumped and bruised that thing so many times. It's just permanently messed up. But first you want to make sure you're taking off all of your cuticles, so that skin that kind of grows on your nail. You want to make sure you're taking that off, because if you apply the gel nail polish right over your cuticles, it's going to lift immediately. So you want to make sure that you're pushing that down and taking that off. So I'm just using this tool they provided in the kit. It works really well, but be careful, you guys. This tool is sharp. But you just want to go ahead and file down your toenails to your preferred length. I like a square shaped toenail, so I'm just going straight across and doing that. As you guys can tell in the next clip, I do end up cutting my middle toe, so be careful using that sharp metal tool. That one got me, but now you want to put on your base coat. Don't mind me, one toe is out of commission for a minute, but make sure you put on a very thin layer of all of this nail polish. It's going to go on a lot better if you apply thin layers and work your way up. That's kind of where I messed up, you guys. I ended up putting on too thick of layers, especially this base layer. It was way too thick, so I highly recommend going in very light-handedly and using just a little bit of polish at a time. Now we're going to go in with the white layer. As you guys can tell, I already cured the base coat on. You want to leave it on for about 90 seconds, I'd say. And then make sure you are being as precise as possible when you're putting on your colored nail polish, because once this baby's on, it's not coming off. So clean up as you need to. As you can see, I'm using my fingers to just kind of wipe around my nails, because you guys, you got to make sure you're doing all your cleaning up before. And then I learned this kind of pro tip. I like to touch up the top of my toenail just to make it look as professional as possible, because you know this baby's going to be on for a minute now. So I'm just hitting all of my toes with this and cleaning up along the way. You can even use those tools to kind of scrape the edges, make sure it's not on your skin, because like I said before, you guys, this is going to stick to anything that you're cure it. So turn that lamp on for about 60 to 90 seconds, and then I like to go in with a second coat, just to make sure everything is even, and you have the best color payoff possible. So just touching them up, and then making sure I don't have any on my skin as well again. Just pretty much repeating the same process we already did. Okay, you guys, now we gotta go in with the top coat, and this is going to make your nails shine so beautifully, and any imperfections on your nails will be covered up by this top coat. So I like to put a thicker coat on as my top coat, and then I just cured it. And you guys, that is really it. It's so simple. I just wiped it up with a cotton pad, because that's what I see them do in the nail salons. I don't think I even needed to do that, but it's beautiful. It turned out amazing. I'm so happy with the results. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want to purchase this Beetles Gel Nail Kit, it is linked in the description box along with a 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime. If you have never signed up for it, go get yourself your kit and your 2-day free shipping and you will be on your way to some bomb nails, saving a bunch of money and, you know, just saving some time as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps me out a bunch, and make sure you subscribe to see next week's video. But anyways, I will see you guys later. Bye guys.